Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Say it one more time.
Subscribe right now.
Right now? Or what? Or what? Or what? What's gonna happen if they don't subscribe, bro?
I'ma gap that M440.
What?
I'ma gap that M440.
Guys, please don't let them gap me. Please subscribe right now.
Bro, what's wrong?
Bro, it's more stressful than I thought, bro. I just wish that I had like a Dominican mechanic would just show up.
Wait.
What's that noise?
You hear that? Oh shit.
What's that noise? Wait. Is that?
Alright y'all, JP just got here. We're about to install these parts for the new, you know what I'm saying? 440, y'all see it, man, y'all see it. See that bitch right here. Let's see what's taking us in so long, bro. You. What the fuck? Yo,
Go to the back.
the back.
I'm in the back. I'm in the back.
Let me see.
Yo, what's good, gang? How you living, man? Hey.
What the fuck?
You already know what I came here for, man. You already know. Oh, man, it's tradition, bro.
Tradition to be in the trunk, bro?
Nah, I'm just saying like we came to install parts.
How the fuck you even get back?
What you mean?
You know, bro,
The parts is back here. Hold on.
Whatever.
Oh, wait, hold on. Wait, where you going? Hold on. Oh shit. Alright, hold on. I gotta fix myself up and shit. What's good, gang? How you living? How you living? Good? Y'all good? Y'all good? Listen, bro. So today, you feel me? As y'all can see, as the title of the video, we're putting like a basically what, like a body kit kinda?
I guess. I mean, semi body kit.
Semi body kit, yeah. But it's alright because we're gonna change it anyways. I got this little PSM, little bullshit eBay. Yo, don't zoom in, they gonna know it's fake carbon fiber, man. Listen, so we're gonna end up changing this. So I got a gloss black. I think I'm just gonna go gloss black for now, and then later on we'll go carbon fiber, do all that extra stuff. And yeah, I mean, I guess we're gonna get started, right?
Yeah.
Why not, bro?
Wasting time.
Yeah, fuck it. Let's do it, man.
When heads talk, you listen.
Yeah, I've been praying for better days. I've been praying, Lord. I've been working my ass off. I've been grinding since I was a JJ. Can you see I'm the man now?
Just like that. Ah.
W angles.
Alright, so look, I think we're gonna start with the diffuser first, you feel me? I'm gonna show you the diffuser and shit. This is the diffuser, a little aggressive, and I know I went for a more aggressive look. Gloss black. But we got one problem, I'm not gonna lie, bro. But there's always one problem. Like, I feel like every time you got car parts, nigga, there gotta be one problem. I wanted to install these exhaust tips and shit, you feel? These little titanium joints, but the diffuser only has one hole, so I don't know how we're gonna make it work. Maybe we can make it work, I'm not sure.
Let's do some trial and error, see what happens.
Trial and error. And then we got the little canards and shit, you feel? We're gonna throw them bitches on the side and stuff like that, a little aggressive as well. Why not? And then the lip, y'all just gonna see it when I put it on, bro. I ain't doing all that. Yeah. Is it what an O2 sensor is, bro? Is there an O2 sensor down here? No?
No.
I was getting confused, you know? Remember, because I was working on that spaceship last week, it shit got, you know what I'm saying?
Got mad O2 sensors.
Yeah, got my gear mixed up and shit, you feel me? You know, because I be doing complicated ass work all the time.
Wait, hold up. Whoop.
What?
Let the man himself calling.
Marcino?
Alexander Salemandel.
Here.
What's up, gang?
What up, nigga?
You know what we're doing.
If there's banging going on, there's some shit going on, you feel me? There's work being done. I'm working mad hard, gang.
You're out of school right now?
Yeah, I'm got some credit.
You
Alex, we don't even need your help. I got my hands dirty already and shit. Yo, show them the hands dirty.
Y'all need help.
Hey, you know, my hands dirty and shit. I'm getting, you feel me?
Well, you wanna come do one more stop by, do some bullshit?
Yeah, that's not wrong.
Fuck around before the gym?
I mean, but Alex, you don't need to like come and help and shit if you don't want to and shit, you know?
What? What is it?
You don't gotta stop by and help and shit if you don't need to.
I don't gotta stop.
No, you can stop by, but you don't gotta get your hands dirty, you know what I'm saying?
Wait, hold on.
Oh, I see it.
What'd you say?
It's a little, it's the little shit. It's the little shit, man. The little screw.
What kind of screw is it?
The little star one. Tool acquired, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna hit, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna sit here and screw that shit out. I got a problem.
Problem, bro.
The screwdriver not really like it's not really screwdriving.
What does that mean?
Like let me just
So I went ahead and got these stainless exhaust tips. I do like the look of them with the straight cut versus the angled.
Alright, so basically like the task was too easy for me and shit. So I had Omar do it because I don't really do tedious, like little work like that. It's just, that's why he's here to help me. You know what I'm saying? So when we get to like the bigger stuff, the harder shit to do, that's when I'll step in and put a hand, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, alright, so look, so basically, you feel me? We about to pry this off. We got these shits off. Oh, well, we got one or more. I just peeped.
I'm about to take the other one off right now.
Yeah, and then we gotta just put the diffuser on and see what it looks like. Alright, so little update. Basically, we don't got the tool to like pry off the shit off the back of the diffuser or whatever the fuck. So we're about to install the lip right now. Feel me? About to install the lip, so that should be easy. That's like basically, that's gonna take us like 5 seconds. So y'all gonna see the before. You feel me? Y'all gonna see the before and the after. All right.
Oh yeah, come on. Only smile when I rap on that beat on.
Ask me if I'm good. Ask me if I'm good.
Yo, bro, you good, bro?
Huh?
You good?
Yeah, I'm chilling. My fault. I got some shit in my nose. It gets hard down here. You feel me?
Yeah, probably break this or something.
Yeah, exactly.
What, bro? What is? Bro, what's wrong?
Bro, I don't know, bro. It's more stressful than I thought, bro. I just wish that I had like a Dominican mechanic would just show up any second.
Wait,
What's that noise?
you hear that? Oh shit.
What's that noise? Wait, is that? Wait. Wait, is that? La parita. Wait. God heard my prayers.
What up, nigga?
Dominican mechanic.
How you sure?
Ain't no way. This can't be. Oh my God, bro. How you roll up in style like that?
Johnny on the spot, nigga.
Just the man I was looking for.
What up?
Oh my God, and he's flying. Oh my God, to the rescue. I mean, I didn't even need you like that, but you know, yeah.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Destination shit, nigga. Oh shit, nigga. So we take the shit off? Rainmores.
Rainmores are fine.
Way more space.
You know what I'm saying? So we jacked the car up and shit.
Yeah,
jacked it up.
Yeah, feel me? We gonna get this shit done, gang.
I'm working hard, bro.
Tight shit. I'm the foreman, nigga. I'm just watching over.
Yeah, me feel you. I got Omar putting in pain.
Wait a minute, nigga. Where the fuck is this?
We got another crew coming in?
Fuck is this?
No way! Whoa! Ain't no way, yo. What the fuck is going on right now, yo? Yo, what's this link up? Yo! What's all these Dominicans coming through, bro? Jamie! Oh my god, nigga.
Let's go, baby.
What's good, baby boy? How you living? Damn, what you got going on back there, bro? I don't even know.
Chill. It's a little. I see back there.
Well, yo, what's a surprise guest? We got the whole crew here, bro. Fire.
What we got going on though?
Nigga, we putting on parts of my car right now. Putting on a little lid.
We in there.
Slide.
Don't ever leave the crib without it, bitch. I got it on me. If you don't give support, then shit to me. You look like my opponent. Always kept it real, so if you rock with me, you know we rollin'. Cop a G Luna, let's go out and do some drunk bowling. I feel like skate rolling. Fuck, I mean roller skating. I get drunk, I'm falling on my ass. My motor skills is basic. Fell asleep from fucking with this Luna. If I don't make it, know you miss 100 of your shots, cause you ain't wanna take them. I've been dolo lately. Same shit and I do it daily.
Are you good?
Nation.
We couldn't get the diffuser to go on, I'm not gonna lie, so we're gonna have to get a new one. It's low-key old Missy's fault, we gonna blame it on him, so.
What did I do?
Just go to the office.
What did I do?
Just go.
What did I do?
Keep in mind, he didn't really think anything out. He literally just bought it for the sake of buying it.
Yeah, we're gonna cut that part out. So, yeah, but so I don't know, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna order a new one or some shit, we're gonna figure that shit out. I don't even know what to do, bro, but we got the exhaustives on shit, so right, we did it, Floyd, right? Yeah, we got it. So it's not an L, it's not a W, nigga. It's like a V, right? It's a V right now. Yeah. So we gonna see, bro. We gonna see. We gonna keep doing. Wow. Yeah, it still look mean though. I fuck with the exhaustives heavy, but the fuse is definitely gonna like finish that finishing touch for sure. I've had some a long time with those exhausts. Really introduced myself and shit, right? It's like the perfect circumference for that little. Amy, you feel me?
I'm going through it right now, man.
What's going on, bro? They don't even know. It's a whole new day. Oh my god.
Go look at my car, bro.
All this for what?
Go look at my car. For seatbelts.
All this for a seatbelt, bro?
Yeah, I get it.
Is it even worth it, bro?
Bro, at this
point. Nigga, you don't even wear seatbelts. Why you lying to these people?
Bro, you thought that's not lying.
All this is not even wear a seatbelt. Holy shit, nigga.
Yo,
look at this shit, bro. Nigga, you gotta wear seatbelts, bro, after this shit.
It's cooked.
We're gonna try to see, hopefully, bro, we can get some more content, bro. We can hit the watch. Wait, what's that face, bro? Huh?
It's about to be 10 o'clock.
No, you gotta get
I'll make an exception for you. Oh, I just want to get out of here.
You got to, bro.
I've been grinding since I was a J. Can you see I'm the man now? Yeah, come on. I put in that work, you can't see my pain. I be crying so loud, you can't hear the rain. I be working so hard.
Yeah, watch my car like a good boy. Watch my car like a good boy. Yeah, boy. We got the intake, you know what I'm saying? We got the little, where's the whisk? Yeah, Hey, shit. The Papi Mobile, my friend. Ooh. Yeah, you got it good on. You can't go wrong with this shit. Got it. I'm telling you, bro. Nobody's messing with the New York Hondeezis, bro. Nobody messing with New York Hondeezis. Yo, let them know. Yo, Jimmy, who's number one, bro? Come on, nigga.
With Hondeezis?
Yeah, who got it? Who got it?
Big New York.
Big New York?
Big New York.
Ooh. Yo, Drew. Slap it on this nigga's car. Oh! Yo, suck that nigga's ass. Nah, I'm an instigator, bro. I'm over here instigating this shit, you feel me? They doing all the work and shit, you know what I'm saying? My baby look clean, I can't lie. Yeah, you didn't see how this nigga was flopping it on your car, bro? Nah. This nigga was flopping that shit like it was just straight 3 pounds of meat. Right on the hood. I wouldn't take that if I was you, bro. I'll flop it back. Nigga, your shit is dry, man. Look at my, you violated me, bro. Look at me.
Bro, your car had it on longer. Hmm? Bro, you have a fucking Titanic, nigga. That's why.
I know you're not talking, bro.
Bro.
You got 4 whole doors in your car. That shit long as hell, nigga.
Bro, exactly. I have 4 doors and your car's still longer.
No, it's not. Oh, it might be longer, though.
Size it up right now.
This shit Titanic.
That hurts.
You trying to call my car a boat, my nigga? Hmm?
Bro, this is more than a boat.
Is that what we're doing?
This shit is a yacht.
A yacht? You talking to like that, bro?
I'm tripping on the yachts.
It's being your chest. Man, you wildin'. What Draco? What was that?
Sounds like a Mopar.
Smells like a Mopar. Sounds like a Mopar. It's probably a Mopar. You playing Subway Surfers on my car, my nigga? Oh. I knew it. I came over because I saw him smirking. I'm like, yo, what's this guy doing? What's going on over here? Yo, what the hell? This bitch just said something. I swear to God, they said something out the window.
It said El Don JP.
I think they said, the blue car's gay.
Really, nigga?
Sad.
Your car got immediately sad, bro, after the comment. Fuck, and shit grew a face and showed an expression. I'm an air out, look. Go ahead. Don't show me, I'm an air out.
Air out.
Look, watch my air out.
Let me see. Buddy?
Yeah?
Your car's not moving.
It's there. It's gonna drop right now.
Yo, your car hasn't moved, bro.
Nah, it's gonna drop right now, bro.
The car hasn't moved.
Just stop rolling. It's gonna drop right now. Cut the camera. Yo, cut the camera.
Huh?
Cut the camera.
What?
Cut the camera, Ching. Cut the camera, my nigga.
That's probably why I don't think a lot. That's probably why I don't care a lot. Cause that shit too heavy. That's why I drop my mouth. I be putting that shit down. I don't care if you see get on. Only smile when I rap and I beat on. Oh yeah.